What's your name?
My name is Nora.
How old are you?
I am 21 years old.
Where are you from?
I am from New York City.
What's your favorite color?
My favorite color is blue.
Do you like music?
Yes, I like music.
What do you like to do for fun?
I like to read books and watch movies for fun.
Do you have any siblings?
Yes, I have 2 siblings.
What's your favorite animal?
My favorite animal is dog.
Can you swim?
No, I can't swim.
What's the weather like today?
It's sunny and warm today.
What time do you wake up?
I usually wake up at 7 a.m.
What's your favorite food?
I really like pizza.
What's your favorite season?
My favorite season is summer.
Do you like sports?
Yes, I like playing soccer.
What's your favorite movie?
My favorite movie is Toy Story.
Can you dance?
Yes, I can dance a little.
What's your favorite fruit?
I really like apples.
What did you do yesterday?
Yesterday, I played with my friends.
What's your favorite hobby?
My favorite hobby is drawing.
Do you have any pets?
Yes, I have a cat.
What's your favorite book?
My favorite book is The Very Hungry Caterpillar.
How many people are in your family?
There are 4 people in my family.
Can you ride a bike?
Yes, I can ride a bike.
What's your favorite song?
My favorite song is Twinkle, Twinkle Little Star.
What's your favorite TV show?
My favorite TV show is SpongeBob SquarePants.
What's your favorite game?
I love playing hide and seek.
Do you like ice cream?
Yes, I love ice cream.
What's your favorite sport?
My favorite sport is basketball.
What's your favorite place to go?
My favorite place to go is the park.
Can you draw?
Yes, I can draw a little bit.
What do you want to be when you grow up?
I want to be a teacher.
Do you like to travel?
Yes, I like traveling to new places.
What's your favorite holiday?
My favorite holiday is Christmas.
What's your favorite type of music?
I like pop music.
Can you cook?
No, I can't cook yet.
What's your favorite bedtime story?
I like Goodnight Moon as my bedtime story.
What's your favorite kind of candy?
My favorite candy is chocolate.
Do you have a favorite superhero?
Yes, my favorite superhero is Spider-Man.
What's your favorite cartoon character?
My favorite cartoon character is Mickey Mouse.
Do you like rainy days?
Yes, I like staying indoors on rainy days.